Jamaican bad word alternatives. Jamaican bad words seem to be quite popular inside and outside of Jamaica. But what if I told you that in some households in Jamaica, bad words are basically banned? Not everyone in Jamaica uses bad words, and many people are actually offended by them. So, how do Jamaicans who don't use expletives express their emotions? They use exclamatives, and in this lesson, I will tell you some of the milder ones.
Come and me teach you patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. There are many reasons why many Jamaicans use bad words, and there are many reasons why many Jamaicans don't. But whatever those reasons are, here are a list of words that you may hear when a Jamaican is expressing a strong emotion, for example, excitement, anger, or disbelief, but they are in a situation in which they can't or don't want to swear, or it's just not in their nature to do so. Now, this list is by no means exhaustive. In fact, I had to omit a few words in order to keep this video as family-friendly as possible. With that in mind, let's get into this list. Kiss teeth. Now make me tell you nothing. Cho. G's and P's. G's and P's. Papa Jesus. But anybody see me die in trial? See ya? But see ya? Blouse cup. Gungo peas. Blouse and skirt. Tupus foot. Kakafat. Blowow. To chicken foot. Me back foot. Backside. Me backside. Me neck side. Me mama. Your mama. Jano. Blurt not. Rotted. Blasted. Rastaja. Box cover. Kiss me neck. Kiss me neck string. Kiss me granny. Awadi what's it not? How this do God? Tough back juice. Bright and outer order. But your outer order? Shaving cream. Sass Christ. Rockstone. Yes to bread back. How Cho. Don't draw my tongue. Hello, hello. Jaja. No, sir. Kiss me, icona. Me mama yai ball. Look here. Look here, man. Then what could I cause this? But I what cause this? All crosses. I true me no want tell you nothing, you know. A lie. A true? For real? You're too lie. Move from here, sir. Me can't believe this. Take the case. Now, there are quite a lot more because Jamaicans can get very creative with the Jamaican patois, especially in this area. Now, please remember that Jamaican patois relies heavily on context, tone, and intention. So even though this list would not be considered expletives, Some of them, depending on how you say them, can be very offensive, so please be careful when using them. However, if you are not one to swear, this list is a good one to have. That takes us to the end of this video. I hope you found some value and thank you so much for watching. Please check out some of the other videos that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.